Start by linking your Canva and Mailchimp accounts for seamless integration. Next, open Canva and search for professional email newsletter templates. Customize the template by adding your branding, images, and text for a personalized look. Leverage Canva's AI Magic Studio to generate custom templates from simple prompts. Once designed, export the newsletter as an HTML file for compatibility. In Mailchimp, start a new campaign and import the HTML template you exported. Enhance engagement by adding personalization using Mailchimp's merge tags. Remember, Canva ensures mobile-friendly designs. The integration is plug-and-play with no coding needed. Focus on simple layouts for fast load times. Email marketing is evolving, and the Canva Mailchimp method is at the forefront. Key trends include AI-driven personalization, where Canva's AI generates visuals while Mailchimp predicts optimal send times. For example, EcoWear, a fashion brand, boosted click-through rates by 35% using Canva-designed, eco-themed newsletters. Expert tip: Litmus co-founder Chad White says testing is crucial. AI can't replace human intuition for audience resonance. According to Mailchimp's 2025 user survey, 68% of marketers use templates, with Canva integrations boosting efficiency by 45%. Visually rich designs can increase engagement significantly. Aim for open rates between 30 to 40% by using personalized Canva-designed templates.